Hi there, wishing the parishioners of Saint Sebastian Church, Bendur, a very good day. Well, this is Dr. Rohan Monas. I'm the Chief Administrative Officer at Kanachur Hospital Research Center, Derlakatte, and presently the ward representative of Padwa 2 ward. Well, have you heard of a beautiful program around health which has been curated for you? Yes, my dear friends, it's on the 22nd of this month. That's a Sunday. I'm sure it's a free day. And it's a month of Lent, right? Month of Lent is, we have increased with Lent, with all our prayers and with all our sacrifices and all. But what Bendur Parish is coming up for you is coming up with a beautiful health initiative. Let me tell you something. Health is a state subject. And Father Walter, our parish priest, has taken it personally. He wants the Bendur Parish maybe to have the best health indices in the district. Well, very good initiative for all of us. In collaboration with Father Millers, we've got 3 initiatives happening. 3. First one is a general physical examination around dermatology, orthopedics and otorhinolaryngology, that is ENT. And I think many of us can walk in and get ourselves assessed. Yes, there are problems in the society which have not been spoken of. Number 2, a beautiful program in collaboration with the Indian Cancer Society. Now, Indian Cancer Society is an NGO doing phenomenal amount of work in the communities we live in today. And this is a shout out for all the women. A free examination or a detection or for the prevention of oral, breast and cervical cancers. Yes, my dear friends, you guys can come over, get assessed, get a quick examination done, get a pap smear done, and you can walk away, you can look. The reason being, early detection and prevention is a goal that we want to achieve and that we have to reach out to. The third beautiful program is a blood donation initiative. Do we know that there is a shortage of blood in the community we live in today? Yes, I think we are one of the luckiest people flocked with 8, 9, 10 hospitals and blood centers in our district. But the catch is there are many needy people. It could be because of cancers, because of major traumatic surgeries or other health issues that they require blood. But are we in those list of blood donors? It's a huge shout out to all you people. Please, those above the age of 18 and not suffering from any chronic diseases, reach out and donate your blood. Your 1 unit of blood can save 3 lives. Yes, it is true. And it's an amazing act because it really helps the human body. So, when we talk about healthcare, we talk about preventive, promotive, curative, rehabilitative, integrative and educative. Well, I just educated you that what you should be doing, how you can be responsible for the community and get yourself checked in. Let preventive be our stand. Thank you. See you soon on the 22nd. Have a good day. Bye-bye.